Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see various methods to fix slow download in Chrome. Chapter 1. Fix slow downloads in Chrome deleting history. To start, open Chrome, click on the menu and select Settings. You are going to go to Privacy and Security and then click on Clear Browsing Data. You can define the desired time range but leave the default boxes active. Click on Clear Data to complete this process. Chapter 2. Fix slow downloads in Chrome disabling extensions. To start, open Chrome. Click on the menu and click on Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. You are simply going to click on the extension switch to disable it. Chapter 3. Fix slow downloads in Chrome establishing a DNS server. To start, open Chrome. Click on the menu and click on Settings. After that, click on Privacy and Security, then click on Security. When accessing in the section Use Secure DNS, activate the box with and choose one of the available options. Chapter 4. Fix slow downloads in Chrome clearing the cache. To begin, open a new tab in your browser. Enter the command you see on the screen. Press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, click on Clear Host Cache. Chapter 5. Fix slow downloads in Chrome disabling hardware acceleration. To start, open Chrome, click on the menu and select Settings. You are going to click on System. When you do, click the switch, Use hardware acceleration when available. You must click Relaunch to apply those changes. Chapter 6. Fix slow downloads in Chrome activating parallel downloads. When you are in the browser, open a new tab and enter the command that appears on the screen. Press Enter. When opening this option, choose the value enabled. At the bottom, click on Relaunch to restart the browser and apply the changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.